Umbrella, let her have the treat. You want the treat? No? Umbrella. Umbrella. No, I'm not going to reward you for being a stinker. Zippo, you can have one. Oh, yes. You are a pretty sweet little stinker, but you're a stinker. And I love you very much. And look at your sister. Who's that? Is it Percy? Would Percy want one? Bartleby, you've already gotten some. What about you, Alfie? Would you like a treat? Alfie? Alfie? Oh, my enchant, would you like a treat? You guys just don't like this flavor. Okay. No for shrimp. Oh my gosh, Mama Faith. Are you having a nice day? Are you having a nice day? Oh! Would you like a treat? Would you like a treat? Huh? Where's that smell coming from? What's that smell? Where's that smell? Oh, there it is. Good girl, Mama. Yes, Percy? Percy, where's your meow?